of interior space and standard side and side curtain airbags, as well as vehicle stability control. Named 2010 Best Overall Value of the Year by IntelliChoice.com, you simply can't go wrong with a Yaris and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, one owner, power steering, trip computer, CD player, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, brake assist. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.